I think it's easier to go down here. Oh, this is nice. Wow, look at this. Ooh. This stuff's pretty easy to walk on. Wow. Oh my God. Look at this. What?
You can go this way too.
Huh?
You can go this way.
Oh, I didn't see that. Thank you. I'm thinking, how's my knee gonna do that? Oh, God. Awesome. Wow, that's ready to go. No, this is gorgeous.
Okay, this is their test right here.
Let me see. Oh, yeah, I'm not going to do that. I'm not doing that. No way. I wouldn't, I won't make it down, much less get up. No, I'll hurt my knee.
I hear you.
I don't want to screw up my knee. This is amazing, though. Oh, look at this. Could you do it? Can you make it down there?
Of course I can.
Are you going to?
I don't see why I should.
Well, it's up to you.
If you should stay in the shade
Yeah,
and wait for me, I'll just go. I won't go out of sight. I'll just go right through that bend.
so I can see you, and I want to take a picture of you in there. Okay, I'll be over here. Okay, we're documenting the whole thing here. Don't hurt yourself.
We're gonna go on the GoPro and everything?
It's on.
Oh.
It's already on.
Okay.
Yeah. So you're being filmed. Bravo, baby. Will you do a video inside there?
Yeah.
Why don't you turn around so I can get your picture? GoPro, stop recording.